Hi friends, Miss Petra here. Before our story time, I wanted to remind you that this Sunday is Mother's Day. So be sure and give your mom an extra hug and an extra kiss and tell her how much you love her and how much you appreciate her, because she sure loves you a lot. So have a happy Mother's Day and enjoy story time. Bye. Hi friends, Miss Petra here. And look it, I have a chef's hat on today. Yeah, isn't that silly? Do you know why? We are gonna read a book today called Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party. So Pete and I both have matching hats on. Yeah, he has his chef's hat on too. And he has his apron on, just like me. So, Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party by Kimberly and James Dean. Do you like pizza? I like pizza. Yeah. So, I think Pete the Cat does too. Pete the Cat loves pizza. Pete the Cat loves parties too. Pete the Cat had an idea of what to do. Ding! The light bulb above his head means he has an idea. He would have the perfect pizza party. You are invited to Pete's Pizza Party. Fun, music, games. Bring your swimsuit. Ooh, bring your swimsuit. I bet they're gonna swim. That sounds like a fun party. There they are, Pete's Pizza Party. Pete's friends all arrived. It was time to build the perfect pizza together. That would make the pizza even better. Pete thought the perfect pizza would be pepperoni with extra cheese. Yum-y. It's a party, a pepperoni pizza party. Look it, they're playing the game. Pin the tail on the unicorn. Fun. But everyone did not agree. I don't think they agreed with just the pepperoni pizza party part. Callie said pepperoni would be just fine, but I really love pretzels on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pretzels? Well, that is something new, but pretzels could be groovy too. Have you ever had pretzels on your pizza? I haven't, but it might be groovy. So it's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pizza party. And look at the gang is all swimming. How fun! Alligator is on the diving board, and they each have floaties. This little pool reminds me of the pool in Carlton. I like it. And look at Gus the platypus. He has a baby shark floaty. And Callie has a pink flamingo. And I love Pete's. He has a pizza floaty. That's like the coolest. Squirrel said pepperoni and pretzels would be just fine, but I really love pistachios on mine. Pete and the gang, we're puzzled. Pistachios? Those are nuts. Well, that is something new, but maybe pistachios could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pistachio pizza party. Yeah, look at the gang. They're playing in the band and dancing and having a great time. Grumpy Toad said pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachios would be just fine, but I really love pickles on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that is something new, but maybe pickles could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pistachio pickle pizza party. Yeah, and they're playing a fun game. Look at that. Gus said pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, and pickles would be just fine, but I really love popcorn on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Popcorn? Well, that is something new, but maybe popcorn could be groovy too. Check it out. That's a lot of stuff going on that pizza. I see pickles and I see pistachios and pretzels. Whoa. Well, it's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn party. Oh my goodness. I think we should try that again because that's really hard to say. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, pizza party. Yeah, and there they are in Pete's pizza party bus. Woohoo, balloons and everything. And look he's got pepperoni all over his rig. Super cool. Alligator said, pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, and popcorn would be just fine, but I really love papaya on mine. Ooh, that's a very tropical fruit there. Now Pete and the gang were really puzzled. Papaya? Well, not something new, but maybe papaya could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya, pizza party. And there they are. They are in the bounce house. Boing. Yep, that looks like so much fun. Pete and the gang piled the pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, popcorn, and papaya on top. The pizza was so high that they had to stop. Ding! The pizza was done. Trying something new might be fun. They all built up the courage to take the first bite, and the pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza was out of sight. Dynamite, just right. In the end, the perfect pizza is a pizza shared with friends. Whoa, I love how good of friends they are. And they each took a bite of their pizza, and look at Callie has heartburn relief medicine. That might come in handy for them later. That was such a fun and silly book. I loved it. And look at all the different kinds of pizza. Whoa, I see strawberry pizza, chocolate pizza, pineapple. Gotta put the whole pineapple on there. Bacon pizza, French fry pizza, ketchup pizza. Oh, yes, there is sock pizza. Not just any sock, but a smelly sock. Ew. But my favorite, I think, is the cupcakes pizza. That was so good. The end. Thank you for reading this book with me. And I hope that maybe you get to make some fun pizza. Maybe this week you could make pizza at home, and maybe you could make your favorite and add one silly thing like pretzels or popcorn to the top, but maybe just on half. Well, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you again. Bye.